Guys, today we're gonna learn how to learn how to get unlock your safes and how to put money inside of them. So your mom doesn't take all your money and start spending it on PFs, FI or whatever. So here's how to use it. You could buy it in China Mall, and it could be found in one China Mall, in anywhere, but China mall has to be in your country. So if China is beside your country, of course the China Mall will be everywhere. Here's how to do it. First, you have to learn how to do passcode. If you don't know the passcode and the guy didn't tell you the passcode and you didn't change it, here what you should test first. 000. Open. There's another way to teach you it, but we could change the code of this. I don't know still how in my mom. So here's how to put money. You can't this place we can't put money. Look, nothing. But this place we can. And in my other video, my first one, check my other video. It has how to trick safes. Easy. It says, and now time for the coin. You could use big, small, medium, whatever. Come. See. Voila! Now, here's how to play songs. It happens to me all the time, like we only press numbers. Okay, let me. No.
密码输入音乐欣赏。
There's all types of songs. Okay, it will end. Just wait. So see you tomorrow. This will never end.